Hello everyone, my name is Veda and welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Real Queen Veda. For those who don't know me, let me introduce myself. I am Veda. I am a beauty and fashion influencer. I am on Instagram and Facebook as The Real Queen V, and I also do YouTube makeup tutorial and YouTube short videos. I post short and YouTube videos twice a week. Today I am going to show you how to get this look, which is Asthami morning Pushpanjali look. Before starting the video, I want to tell you guys that please subscribe to my YouTube channel for latest updates and hit the bell button to get updated. So let's get started. Before starting the makeup, I am going to moisturize my skin with Bella Vita Organic Rose Glow Gel Face Cream. I'm going to use Lakmé CC cream as base today. My husband is sitting beside me because it's festival and everyone is at home. So if you are wondering why am I using CC cream instead of foundation as base today, because you will see clearly that this CC cream also gives medium coverage. I'm blending this using a beauty blender. I have taken Swiss Beauty concealer today to conceal my face. The color of this is just one tone lighter than my skin tone, which will give a natural yet full coverage to my face. I want to keep today's makeup as natural as possible because this is morning time. As you can see, I am making this video in daylight. I'm blending the concealer using a beauty blender. I have taken LA Girl Pro Contour Palette and I'm going to use only the contour from here. I have taken a foundation brush and I'm applying this contour using this foundation brush. The reason why I'm using this particular contour palette, because the color of this contour is near to my skin tone. So the color looks really mild and subtle on my face, which is exactly what I need for morning time makeup. I'm applying the contour around my nose using my finger, and for rest of the part I am using a different beauty blender. Since the weather here is really harsh these past days, like it's really humid and hot, so we need to make sure this makeup is sweat proof. I have taken Lakmé Rose powder and I'm going to bake my face using this product. If you want to know how to bake your face, then please watch this video on the top right corner of your screen. This baking is essential when the weather is really sweaty, so you need to make sure that your makeup is sweat proof, which is exactly what this thing does. This is Lakmé primer and I'm going to use this primer over my eyelids so that my eyeshadows stay in place when I'm going to apply them. This is Maybelline New York Define and Blend Brow Pencil and the color is medium brown. I have taken this to do my eyebrows today. Yes, I keep saying in all my videos that I do my eyebrow using eyeshadow, but this is the first time I'm using it. So far I would say that this product is really good. I mean, it is really subtle and it is good for regular makeup and morning time makeup, but in case of nighttime party makeup, I won't recommend this one. I have taken Europe Girl eyeliner cream, and no, I'm not going to apply this as eyeliner, but I'm going to apply this over my eyelid because the colors which I'm going to apply here next are very light. But since I want really high pigmentation today, so for that reason I'm applying this white eyeliner. The palette which I am going to play with today is Makeup Revolution London Maxi Reloaded palette, and the palette's name is Monster Mattes. As you can see, there are plenty of matte color here. I have taken this orange color and I am applying this as the transition shade. My mother-in-law came to see my work. She's sitting beside me. And now I have taken this red color over this orange color because I want a really high pigmentation of these colors. Now I have taken a fluffy brush and I am going to blend these colors now. Don't worry if the eyeshadow gets on the lower part of the eyelid because I'm going to clean this part anyway using this earbud, and I have taken some makeup remover and I'm cleaning this part now. Now I have taken a different concealer, which is Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, and I am cutting the crease using this concealer. I'm gonna go for a half cut crease today, so I am outlining only half part of my eyelid. The reason why I have taken this particular concealer because this is 2 tone lighter than my skin tone, and also it gets dried up really fast. I have taken this sunset yellow color now and I'm going to apply it over my eyelid just like that. Don't get too close to this crease line because in that case this cut crease could get all messed up. I have taken a spongy brush to apply this color. Now I have taken this same spongy brush and I have taken this lemon yellow color and I'm applying this over this sunset yellow color because this will give me a lot more pigmentations. Now I have taken this orange color again and I'm applying this on the middle part of the eyelid and I'm blending this with the yellow color. Now I have taken this brick red color again and I'm applying this on the corner of my eyes just after this orange color. I have taken Swiss Beauty lip liner pencil and the color is brick red, and I'm going to define this cut crease a bit since this is a half cut crease makeup. So I am going to define only half portion of the cut crease. Now I have taken Sugar Cosmetics Contour Deep Force Mini Blush. These colors are really highly pigmented, which I really like, and it gives a sun-kissed look. I'm not going to apply any bronzer today because as I have mentioned before, this is a morning time makeup and I want to keep it as natural as possible. I have taken Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder and the color is E319B Blossom Glow, and I'm applying this highlighter on the high points of my face and I'm applying this over my nose using my finger, which is the best way to apply highlighter over your nose. My face makeup is done. Moving on to my eye makeup again. I have taken this sunset yellow color again and I'm applying this on the inner corner of my eyes. I have taken this orange color again and I'm applying this on the middle part of lower part of my eyes. And finally, I have taken this brick red color again and I'm applying this on the outer corner of lower part of my eye. I'm applying the eyeliner now, which is Lakmé Absolute Shine Line Eyeliner. I'm just going to draw an inner and outer wing today, nothing special. Then I'm going to apply the Kajal, which is Lakmé Eyeconic Kajal, which is very common, and I'm going to apply a thick layer of it, which is perfect for hooded eyes like mine. And also note, I'm not filling up my waterline. Now I'm prepping my lashes for wearing mascara, so I'm curling my eyelashes now. Now I'm wearing the mascara, which is Maybelline New York, the Colossal Volume Express Waterproof Mascara. I'm wearing my eyelashes now. Moving on to my lip makeup, I have taken the same lip liner pencil which I have applied on my eyeshadow, which is Swiss Beauty and the color is brick red. I'm just applying this on my lips following my natural lip line. I'm not going to do anything special about my lips today. I'm just going to follow my natural lips. Now I have taken this lip color is Lakmé Absolute Matte Melt lip color and the color is deep red. This is a beautiful color and perfectly suits on my lips. The color may look glossy now, but it will be completely matte once it is dried, which is exactly what it needed for these days because we have to wear a mask anyway. My makeup is done. Now I'm going to do dress up and let me show you the final look. So there you go. This is my final look for today. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to like and share. And also, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Real Queen V. And don't forget, I'm also on Instagram. Please follow me. My IDs are Vera Chat and The Real Queen V. And I also have a Facebook page with the same name as my YouTube channel, which is The Real Queen V. Bye guys, see you next time, and happy puja. And I'm going to post so many more makeup tutorials in this puja, so don't forget to stay tuned.